how to make iPhone-like quality reels on the Android phone. Let me talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So, of course, it comes down to the hardware and your actual phone because, the quality of the cameras are going to be very important, but most of the time you can get more out of your phone that you currently are getting out of it, basically. Well, what you have to do is to at first, make sure that the video gets captured at the highest possible level of quality on your camera. So if you're using the built-in camera app, perhaps you want to switch from the regular mode to the professional mode, right? So you can, in my case, I can tap on more, switch to professional video where I get to manually control the focus and exposure so it doesn't get just like randomly adjusted, which isn't very professional, right? So you can do it this way, or you can as well just see that we have the portrait video. So if you want to like blur the background behind people, that's probably what you are interested in. It's called cinematic mode on the iPhone, and if you want to replicate it, I can do it on my Samsung as well through this feature, right? So the first step would be to capture the shots at the best quality possible. Then, of course, performing the edits is really useful. I personally use the CapCut video editor where I can bump up the highlights or add some contrast or change the colors or perhaps add some effects. So, we want to make it look professional. So, okay, we have the video ready most likely, and also before we publish it on the platform, whether or Facebook or Instagram, there are also some settings which you might need to pay attention to so you actually end up with the best quality available. So you can tap on the Reels creation page, upload your clips, proceed with the next steps, and you want to click on more options and essentially enable the upload at highest quality. Right, so you can see that this will make sure that the video doesn't get compressed through the upload process and that it retains the original quality, right? This is likely the thing which lowers down the resolution the most, so I would most definitely make sure it's set up properly. Now, I would really appreciate your feedback below in the comments if you managed to help figure out your quality of reels and make it look better on your Android phone. Let me know about it below. In case of any questions, leave those there as well. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.